Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Samsung Galaxy XCover 7 and XCover 7 Pro. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Both two phones come with an IP68 rating. Next, compare display features. They offer 6.6 inches display. Hardware features. The Galaxy XCover Pro is powered by the Snapdragon chipset, and the XCover comes with MediaTek chipset. Let's compare the camera features. Galaxy XCover 7 Pro comes with 2 rear cameras, and the Galaxy XCover 7 comes with 1 rear camera. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. Both phones have 5G connectivity to speakers and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.